Hi, I'm Matthew. Please click like and subscribe for more mathematics lessons. The lessons are perimeter and area. Difference area and volume. Area is 2 dimension. Volume is 3 dimension. 2 dimensions is flat shape. 3 dimensions is solid. Perimeter is the length. The length is outside line. Add up all the outside line. The border the inner line. No formula for this one. Unit for area volume. Area is a square unit. Square unit is power of 2. Volume is a cube unit. Cube unit is power of 3. Different shape with different count. Square and also rectangle. It's the same category. It's a quadrilateral. Need to have 4 right angles. To count rectangle's area, length multiplied by width. Is A multiplied by 4. The answer is 32. Remember the right unit, cm square. The area for the square is same as the rectangle. Either length times width own length or width multiplied by width is equal to the area. Cut rectangle into half. Becomes 2 same triangle. Both 2 triangles area equal to rectangle area. 2 right angle triangles. Area of one triangle equal half a rectangle. Rectangle is length times width. So one triangle's area, length times width divided by 2. Can use length times width divided by 2 or 1/2 times length times width. Triangle length and width must know where is length and width, both beside the right angle. Do not consider the slanting line. Don't use in calculation. Circle part has its own name. Circumference is same as perimeter of circle. Radius is half diameter. Both have to touch the center. Calculation involves pi. Sign for radius uses r. Sign for diameter is d. Remember the formula used till university. Circle counting must use pi. Value by infinity is 3.142 or 22/7. Question show you which to use. Pi also other usage as angle calculations. 1 pi can be equal to 180 degrees, or one full circle is 2 pi. Circle center is O. Formula need to use pi. Here are two formulas. Circle area pi r square, circumference 2 pi r. Given pi in fraction form, radius is 40 cm. Area is pi 14 square. Divide before multiply. Remember unit is square. The answer is 616 cm square. If pi 3.42, answer B infinity. Cannot divide till finish. Just follow the given pi. Don't change it by your own.